How to customize Windows Search AI results on supported PCs. This tutorial shows you how to enable and manage semantic AI search on Copilot+ PCs. First, click on the Start menu and open Settings. After that, click on Privacy and Security. From there, click on Search. At this point, keep in mind this AI-powered search feature is only available on Copilot+ PCs specifically. In the next step, look for the toggle between Classic and Enhanced search modes. Following this, select Enhanced to enable semantic AI indexing across your entire computer. Once done, keep in mind Enhanced mode searches your whole PC, which can slightly increase battery and CPU usage compared to Classic. From here, scroll down and click on Add an Excluded folder if there are specific locations you don't want included in this deeper search. At this stage, select any folders you'd like left out, then confirm your choice. Keep in mind, with Enhanced mode on, you can now search using natural language, like describing a file's content instead of remembering its exact name. Finally, try a natural language search, like describing a document you vaguely remember, to test the improved AI results. And that's it. If this guide helped you customize Windows Search AI results on supported PCs, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.